Hi guys, good morning. Thought I was recording and actually I was just talking to myself. Anyway, so got in here with 800 shares. I saw it at 936. We always gonna have our perpetual 2000 as equity. We're gonna use a 4-to-1. We went into with 800 shares. So trying to get it down, we went in with 932 and we expect it to come down to here. Why? Because one, technical analysis, the 23.6% fib line is there, VWAP is sitting also there, resistance is sitting there, support and resistance is right here. So we're expecting it to drop down to that line. So therefore, when I was talking to myself, instead of talking to you, I went in with a limit buyback at 891. So we're gonna buy this back because we're shorting it and it is shortable. So we're just waiting on it to drop. All right, welcome all my new subscribers. And just to go over what all these lines are, they are my Fibonacci retracement lines. I put them on my daily and I put them on my minute here on Webull, and I do so same with my DAS platform where I trade in my real account, and I put them on my daily, but I put them on my 5 minutes. So I just draw from bottom to top. I find the lowest point to the highest point and I draw my line there. Today's Friday, so we're just going to be in and out. This is a very strong stock, so I'm actually just hoping that it will, sorry, that was Bixby. I'm just waiting for it to drop to that point. So I traded this stock up this morning, and I also traded AD&T. Yeah, I went in an AD&T from yesterday at $10 and I came out at $11. So I just got $1 there, but it actually rose to 11.64, so that was a good trade. Now SGRY, I'm really hoping that this thing drop. It is a very strong stock. Why? Look at this. This is a perfect W. Dropped a little when everyone saw that it was a perfect W, and W pattern is what I'm talking about, if you see. And it had multiple bottoms as well, so it rose and hit my line right here. If you can see, support, resistance, and now it should be dropping. I know it's a strong stock. It might even bounce back and go up here, but I'm just hoping we can get a drop to my point and then we can get out. But it's now trending right there on that support and resistance line right here. So I am hoping that we, if I see it start moving again, then I'm just gonna have to jump out. But I'm hoping that my technical analysis is strong enough to pull it down, and I will be getting out right there. So we have resistance here, support resistance here, we have Fibonacci here, and we have VWAP. So I'm a little bit confident that it will go. Just watching these candlesticks though to see, because even though you have all this, you can never ever 100% know. And even though I should say that, yeah, I did promise you that we're gonna try for $100 a day and leave the rest, still want to see, because we have three things right here. I just want to just see where it goes. So we're still waiting. So it bounced back off our support resistance line that we just put here. Just hoping for a big push down. All right, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off limit. And oh, now we've lost our $100 for the day by being greedy and not sticking to our rules. Let's see if we can get another drop. Like I said, this is a very strong stock, so we should be careful, and we are now in trouble. Let's see, what is it doing? It's now back up to that support resistance. Let's see if it breaks it. Yeah, I'm just really trying to trust right here. If you notice though, my 38.2, lot of hitting on that line right there. And VWAP was just trending right there with it. That's how powerful this is. Still waiting for a drop back, but that W pattern is pretty strong indicator. But I'm just thinking that, yeah, we already got our hits for today and hoping that we get a drop here. Lots of action going on here. Let's see if the Bears or the Bulls gonna win. I had a figure here this morning. I was trying to get you a DNT, you know, trading along with what I was doing, but Webull was just messing around, and all the stocks and stuff and, you know, whatever I put in here was just not being executed. So it was just a hot mess this morning. So I had to turn my computer off. I had to refresh constantly just to have, you know, these things execute. And by the time it happened, there was just something in here, but it was just a hot mess that I thought I would just not put that video out. So I just wanted to come in and just give you something. Here we are back up at 113, 129. All right, let's not be greedy. Let's just get out. Like I said, we just want to get, oh, and now we've gone back to 89. We just want to get $100 for today. VWAP is still there, so VWAP is still horizontal. Here we go again. All right, 145. All right, let's just get out. 912, 910. Where did I get 145? I have no idea. All right, 910. All right, 914. Let's change that. Let's modify so we can get out and stop being greedy. All right, so that's it. We made our $100. I have to minus what I did. Let's see. All right, a lot of garbage here, but SGRY is actually what we just traded, and we are up $177 on the day. So we made our $100. All right, so we made $177 today. We got out at 912, now it's at 913. So yeah, this is a strong stock. It might consolidate for a while because of how strong it is. Look at this volume here, a lot of volume here. So yeah, we just want to get in and get out and have no regrets. All right, so let's go back over the trade. This is a short video. Saw this W, traded it up this morning. What I usually do is I like to wait until it passes this line here. If you can see, as long as it passes that middle, then I jump in and try to get out at the first indication where support and resistance or whatever, you know, whatever technical analysis it is. So this stock actually, let me take that out so you can see, this stock actually went to that second white line, which is that support and resistance line. Didn't quite make it to fib, but I got in, got out, and I was watching it for a short because this is shortable on my brokerage account, and I want to be realistic. So I saw it consolidating for a while and just waited for the struggle to, you know, to be real. And then I also saw my technical analysis, you know, my support resistance, my VWAP and my fib right down here. So this struggle, you know, I thought it would get to there, but it's messing around, still consolidating. But this is why I want to set that target, make $100 a day. So as soon as we got our $100, we got out, so we are not caught in all of this getting additional stress and whatever. So we made 177, but look at this now. This thing is gonna come, and we're not gonna have remorse here because we just want to stick with our rules and be happy that we made $177 today. But this stock is gonna keep coming. There we go. It's right on VWAP. So it made it to VWAP. Let's see who's gonna be the winner here. Is it VWAP or FIB? It's bouncing off VWAP. And again, guys, this is why I use my technical analysis. This is why I use VWAP, FIB, and I am a strong believer in support and resistance. So as a beginner trader or a struggling trader, I'm not gonna say that, it's gonna be easy or whatever, or this is something that you have to use. You can find whatever, works for you and let that work. But this is what works for me. So I'm just sharing that. It's up to you to do with it whatever you will. Just wanted to see who wins out here. Bounce on VWAP and we're bouncing off. And I think we're bouncing off of this here. We're bouncing off of here and this support resistance. So that's why it broke through VWAP and bouncing. And that's why you have to be on point. You have to just look for every possible thing that you can look for, because everybody, all the professional traders are doing that. You have to look for every point of contact that you can look for, because that is what's gonna make or break you. All right, so yes, we could have stayed in a little longer, but again, we're up $177. Ignore this. Like I said, prior to this, I was trying to get you the AD&T up, and it just was not working down here. Nothing was happening, but then it popped up. All right, so guys, this is going to be it for today. Happy Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. And please like, subscribe, and share. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm going to try and get you something every day just to help you along your journey. So ring that notification bell so you can see whenever I upload a video. All right, guys, just wanted to pop in and said yes, everything actually won out. So I haven't changed anything here. You can see that the stock actually fell through where we had our line, fib, VWAP, support resistance. So they all won. Just wanted to bring that back to you, and then it popped right back up, started consolidating again. All right, that's it. Back to ending this video. All right, guys, you take care. All the best to you and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you, guys. Bye.